Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have the LOFOV, and it is a camera for your car. So I have a Tesla, so I have cameras already in here, but I was gonna put this on my son's Honda so he could have his cameras on there. But I'll show you guys everything that it comes with, and we'll give this thing a little try here. And so this is what the device looks like here. So it's got the screen on this side, it's got a camera facing that way, it's got a camera here, camera there, cameras all over. You can aim these ones out so it'll be everywhere. So it has this, all the different cameras, and it has, I think, even this camera here for the back of the car. It has a suction cup mount. It has a plug for the cigarette lighter to do it, to connect it up to USB-C. It's got everything it needs. And then it has a USB to USB-C. I guess this one here, if you wanted to wire it up that way, if your car has a USB-C port, you could use that, or transferring stuff between there and your computer or whatever, if you connect it up. So here's some instructions for it, so you guys can see it. If you really need it, you can probably pause it and zoom in. But I'm gonna set this thing up here a little bit and give you guys a little look of how it looks. I don't think I'm gonna be able to hook up the back camera because again, I'm in my Tesla. I'm not gonna run all the wires through, but I'll show you guys how it all works.
Okay, so I've got it here up in the top of
set that up here and
golf cart, you can see, and then I'll just show you guys what it looks like here. So when I turn it on, it turns on, and then it's got all those cameras facing the different directions. You can see there's got one on the side there, my buddy's over there, it's got one on the side here, so it's got a little four-way screen. Well, right now it's three-way because I don't have my rear one on there, but how cool is that? So you can just have it there to see what's going on. So pretty cool.